Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find recently deleted photos on iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the photos. Now here we need to go to collections and we need to scroll a bit down right to the bottom. Now here we have utilities. And here we have recently deleted, so we need to use either our Face ID or our passcode to view this album. So click on view album. I don't want to use my Face ID right now, so I'll just click it again and enter the password. And here we have the deleted photos. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of them. And if you want to select them, click on select. And here we can recover all or delete all. So it's totally up to us. Here we can find it, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.